Today I want to show you guys this Centaur 12-pack steel tip dart set. Comes in this little box. Once you open that box, it comes in this really nice kit, which has 12 darts, 6 chrome, 6 black, and it has 4 different colors, 3 of each. Same thing with the flights, but it has 4 of each, so it has extras. These come with the O-rings already inside. You can see it. So the O-rings are already installed. Comes with this little rock. So if you want to sharpen the tips, this is an awesome tool to have. It comes with it as well. It comes with the dart flight protectors, which are these. And these go at the end of the darts. I assembled this dart, so there's a protector in the tip. And this is how the darts look fully assembled. And I'll go ahead and put some darts together so you can see how it's done. So first you grab these 2 pieces. So you screw this in. Then you get the flight, which is flat. You open this up. And you can see the pointier end. That goes into the dart. So once you get it there, you just push it in. Now we're gonna put the flight protector back here, which is this little piece here. Goes on the back. So you can put it on any one. Just push it down and there you go. And now you have a complete dart. I put 3 of them together to try them out. I'll finish assembling the rest in a bit, but let's get these 3 and see how they fly. This is a dartboard we're gonna try these on. Let's get to it.